Hello, this is Daniel from soundheadquarters.com. In today's video, we are going to be focusing on acoustic panel upholstery. You can apply these techniques to upholster acoustic panels of any size. So stay tuned and watch how we make these beautiful panels. So here is our finished acoustic panel frame, and yours can be any size. You can apply all of these techniques to your panels. So first thing we're doing is we're rolling out the fabric, and for these panels they're about 2 feet by 4 feet, about 3 inches thick. So I'm cutting this fabric at about 34 inches wide, but for you, just make sure that you measure that you have enough overlap on both sides to totally wrap around your acoustic panel frame. So I'm just laying this fabric out on the table, and now I'm laying down the liner fabric. The liner fabric that we use is like a yard fabric, like a weed control fabric that you would use for landscaping, because it's breathable and it's cheap. So it's a great liner fabric to use for these panels. So first we're going to staple down the liner fabric, and I'm just doing a few staples. This doesn't need to be super strong, because when we send the staples through the final layer of fabric, that's going to secure everything all the way to the panel frame. So this is just to get that, that liner secure on the frame so it's not flopping around. And then we're going to go around and cut off all of the excess fabric. So I'm going to show you a close-up here of how I leave the corner. We want to make sure we get off all of the extra liner fabric and leave that corner just completely bare, ready for the final layer of fabric to wrap over. That way there's no bulging or anything underneath the final fabric. So I like to get the 2 short corners tensioned and stapled in first. As you can see here, I just do a couple staples, and now I'm gonna pull against the first one and pull against the last one. And that kind of locks in all 4 corners. And once that all 4 corners are locked in, tensioned across the panel, now I can go ahead and get the first long side. This long side, I'm stapling it. I'm not tugging very hard. I'm just kind of laying it flat and stapling along the panel edge. Now when I come across to the opposite long side, this is where I'm pulling against and tensioning across that first stapled edge and applying light tension and then stapling down. This is going to make sure the fabric lays nice and flat and is taut across the acoustic panel frame. So once we have both long sides stapled in, now we can do the corners. This is the most kind of detailed step here. And you can see we cut out all of the excess fabric before we fold over and kind of gift wrap that corner. Here's a more detailed close-up step. So I mock up where it needs to go, staple in the top and the edge there to lock it in. Now I see where I need to trim. I'm leaving myself maybe like a 1/2 inch of fabric there for that fold over. And you can see I just get rid of all of the bulk of the excess fabric, because we don't want that to bulge underneath when we turn this over. And you can see I'm trying to just line up that edge right on the corner of the acoustic panel, so it looks kind of gift wrapped, and the you don't really notice the fold. It's all in the corners where the shadow line would be anyways. So we just tension across once we have those corners locked in, and we cut off all of the excess fabric. And now we can just repeat this step across all 4 corners. The corners and the edges really are the hardest part of getting a nice professional look on your acoustic panel frames. So definitely take your time, rewatch and zoom in on that close-up of the corner detail if you need to. Learning this technique is really what brought my acoustic panels to the next step, and just really livens up and gives you a professional finish, right? If we're making the effort to build these panels ourselves, we might as well do as best of a job on them as we can, right? So as you can see behind me, these panels have now been installed at my home studio here, and there's the final product. Here's a couple close-up shots. You can see how everything is wrapped around the frame nicely. There's no bulges, nothing standing out, no weird stuff. Just a beautiful acoustic panel ready for you to install for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. This has been Daniel from soundheadquarters.com. Please subscribe for more studio building content and stay tuned for more. Thanks. See ya.